Hi. One more little video here for the network marketing subject. Anything that you do that you're going to market online, you need to be credible. You don't just grab any old product if you're interested or not. You want to do something that you can be passionate about and successful with. If you're passionate about it, you understand it, and you become incredibly knowledgeable, that goes a long way. In any marketing, you're going to build your own brand, and you build that around your knowledge, your credibility, and your ability to communicate a message. Whether you do it online or in person, you want to be a true representative of a product, be knowledgeable, and create an atmosphere that brings people in to pull them into where they want what you have. And if you're already talking to a targeted market online and you do it right, it's amazing what you can achieve. And you can accomplish in months what most people take years to do. But you have to first realize you are the brand, not just the product you're selling. You are the brand, you are the expert, and you're going to open the door for somebody that is interested in what you have and give them the same opportunity that you have. The very important concept. And so, don't just jump in, buy anything, go anywhere, whether you know about it or not, and just, it's not just a random thing. It is a business. You got to build it like a business. You got to work at it every day. Success is the daily realization of a worthwhile ideal or goal. So you got to pursue it based on that. If you do it right, amazing what you can accomplish. But you want to do it right and attract other people that can in turn do it right, because you are the model, you are the one that's going to set the standard for how it's done. So you want to do it right and be a product of the product. Make sense? So anyway, just a little quick tip on network marketing to give you a quick view of what it's all about. Thank you, and we'll talk to you again soon. Got lots of stuff for you. Thanks.